Okay, so we're at the unit now. Let's go and see where we left off on the last video. As I had to rush out last night and do a 4-hour journey with some bits for another car. Okay, so this is where we were. We've done the bonnet. That's all ready. We've done this wing, the driver's door, driver's rear door, the quarter. This quarter and the quarter top. So we've got these two doors left and this front wing. Then it'll be a case of sorting out some of these little bits on the roof. On the boot and stuff like that. Just flick them in with a tin of primer, smooth. So there's no bare metal showing anywhere. And then we'll move on. So I'll get you in the stand. We'll get these panels done and move on with this project. Drink of today is going to be this one. Already started drinking it, so cheers everyone. As you can see, we're on the last panel for this process, which is great for me anyway. Been a long process, but the car's nice and straight now. Starting to look really good. So it's time to remove the bonnet now and start tackling things under there and move on with this process. That's the bonnet all unbolted and removed. Now onto the front panel that surrounds the wiper and wiper motors. So we'll get the wipers off, get the panel off, get all the clips out, remove this too and see what we've got underneath. Okay, so that came off okay. Quite impressed with the condition of everything in there. No rust whatsoever. Actually in very good condition under there, which is nice. They're normally quite gunky and dirty. With a quick wipe, that'd be really nice. Might help if I get it on the right focus. Yeah, there you can see. Nice and tidy in there. A quick wipe, that'll be nice shiny bodywork. As for in here, this has all got to be sorted out. And that will get done at some point. Not sure when yet, what order I'm going to do things in. But that'll all get done. While I'm in this bit, I've noticed how nice and clean the engine is. If you look down the back here, there's no oil leaks. Can't normally see down here, was obviously the bonnet in the way, but all nice and tidy. Hasn't even been cleaned yet. So that's good, nice stainless steel manifold under all that dirt. But not a single oil leak, water leaks, or anything like that, which is great. Just what we want. We'll still take it out on normal test drives and stuff, but it's looking good so far. So I decided that was time to get on with the engine bay right now. So I got started. Let's hope everything goes smooth and everything undoes, because quite often the bolts are rusty and can be a right pain. But whatever we come up with, we can deal with, and we'll get through it. So let's carry on and make it look nice. So that's everything off the front panel. So that's ready to be bare metaled now. Having a bit of hassle trying to get the battery tray out, but we'll work away and get that out somehow. Now to remove the fuse box and wire around the edges and anything else that's in the way on the paintwork. Here I'm just removing some surface rust while it's still bolted into the vehicle. As you can imagine, if it was out and in my hand, that'd be a lot harder to do. But in the long run, it will be going in the sandblasting machine and bare metaled anyway. But this just helps tidy up the bay a bit. This part of the job is actually really hard work, but in the long run, the finish will be much better if done like this. I think you get the idea, so we'll speed this up, get some of it done, and bring you back to have a look. Right, so let's attack this front panel, get rid of all this rust and marks and everything else, etc. As you probably worked out, this process takes hours to do it right, to get everything bare, to get rid of all the rust and make it look really good. But we'll keep plowing along, and I'll keep putting you on time lapse, and we'll get there in the end. Well, as you can imagine, it's quite hard work to bare metal these panels when they're rusty like that. But as you can see, it's coming up really nice. No rust holes that have gone right through or anything like that, which is great. Got to do all in here now. Should be fun. Got to sort this bit out here, get these out, get that all sorted out down there, put that in the sandblaster. Same down this side, tidy that all up and up along here. But if we can get that like that, then we should have a really nice finish. So let's carry on. I might do a load of this off camera because it's going to take quite a few hours, and I'll bring you back and show you what I've done later on. Well, I managed to get the battery tray out. It was a bit of fun because all the bolts were rusted. But it's out now. This is what it looks like with everything else removed. So I'm now going to get in there and try and bare metal that the best I can. And I'll treat all that so that don't come back again. Well, that's the plan anyway. So I'll get in there, get some of that done, and I'll bring you back and show you what I've done. Okay, it's a fair bit later on now. As you can see, I've got in there, got rid of all that rust. Right down to bare metal the best I can get it. Also all the way along the top panel, which you've already seen. Started to do a few little bits on this side as well. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some rust proof stuff on this before the rust starts to form again. So I'll do that and I'll bring you back again. Okay, so I've just slapped a load of this on. What this does is just eat any remaining rust particles back to bare metal. So this is what it looks like. Weird greeny substance that just eats into the little bits where you can't get to. And takes it all back to bare metal like that. All these bits here will go silver and eat it all up. Give these a little sand in there, sort of best I could, but I've covered them over as well. So in sort of 15-20 minutes time, this will all be protected and it can be coated over once I'm ready to do so. It took a fair few hours to get this far, but it's all part of the job if you're going to do it right. Got down into where the bolts go down the side for the battery tray as well, got a little rust off them. Down into these corners. So this car's never going to rot out. So it's all good so far. Been a long day so far. There's obviously been sanding, grinding, wire wheeling, all sorts of stuff. But we're starting to get there now. I keep saying that in other videos, but this is the case. We are starting to move forward quite well now. We should be able to paint the car soon. That's the plan anyway. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. I'll put another coat of the rust eater on. And as you can see, we're getting right back to nearly clean metal now. So I'll keep coating that until we don't need to coat it anymore. But I think we've done fairly well today. Okay, I think we've had a really good day. I'm pretty knackered now after all of that lot. Been here for quite a few hours. No breaks or nothing, etc. Had a couple of drinks, that's about it. So we got a long way today. Lots of sanding done, lots of wire wheeling done, rust proofing, removing parts from the engine bay, bonnet off, all sorts of things really. So we're moving forward with the car. Shouldn't be too long now, we'll be able to start putting the silver on, which is nice. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers. I'd like to say thank you for the support on the Facebook group. And I hope we can all move forward together and the channel can grow. And we can save lots and lots of cars on the way. That's the plan. So if any of you can share the videos on your Facebook accounts, Instagram and stuff like that, etc., I'll be very grateful. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow for you.